due to the snowstorm. Well, it lightened up again. There's sections where you can't see but 25 feet. And the wind will slow down a bit. And then next thing you know, here comes a gust and there it goes again. This is Duane River Bridge on the 2nd Avenue of Des Moines we're about to cross. There, cleared up. Alright. The river's finally locking up. Next thing, some idiot will go crossing it and drown. That's every year it happens.